There's a little tactic that I keep handy because every once in a while I have to resort to it. And this is actually something that I shared here a number of years ago, but I'm sharing it with you because it works just as well today as it did years ago. So if this is something that you're not aware of, you've forgotten about, or just haven't implemented yet, this is a good reminder to do so. So this tactic is something that I resort to whenever I end up having a client that for one reason or another does not want to sign up for ongoing maintenance services with me. But that is incredibly important to do in order to protect their site. We all know that sites need to be updated to keep it functioning as it should. From a security standpoint, the site needs to be updated so there's no loopholes. We don't end up with malware injected or the site being hacked. We even need fresh backups just in case the site goes down, it's hacked, or something happens to it. But I know I'm telling you something that you already know. Now, ideally, we are offering this website maintenance as part of the whole website planning process. It is part of our initial offer. So it is not really something that is sprung onto a client at the end of your work together. So if they see this coming, they understand the importance of it. But again, sometimes you just have clients for one reason or another who do not want to agree to it. So in this case, this is where I actually want them to sign that they fully understand what they are declining and the importance of it. And by asking them to sign in order to decline the service, it not only helps them see the real importance of this and help them start to second guess that decision that they are making, but also this is for protection of my own business. So in the event that something happens to their site and they chose not to maintain it, they can't come back and blame me or say that I didn't do something that was needed, because you're able to pull out that form that they have now, because you're able to pull out that document that they have signed saying that they understand the risk of their decision. So this sign to decline form outlines some of the major risks when we do not have a website that is maintained. So even if they do not wish to maintain the website with me for whatever reason, this is something that they want to do, they want to hire someone to do to make sure that their website is going to be protected. Most of the time, when it comes to that, a client has to say no, and now they are being expected to sign that they are not going to sign up for this service. Most of the times they come back and then they end up agreeing to this service because I'm saying, hey, I need protection from my business, that you are going to walk away from this because this is what can happen to any website out there that is left unprotected. So if you would like a copy of my sign to decline form, it is completely free. You can download it using the link below. You can use it as is, you can tweak it, use it in your business, send it out to your clients who attempt to decline that service, and let me know how it goes. If you want more tips like this for your digital marketing agency, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. As always, thank you so much for spending your time here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.